Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we have one of the amazing mini electric bicycle from hypergogo, and this is for kids. It may look even better than my bicycles, so I'm a little bit jealous actually. What do you think, Tommy? You gonna like it? Are you excited? Okay, he's very excited. We just got it in the mail and he made me to open up right away. So here we go. So let's open up and see what is inside. Okay. Inside everything actually packed and very nicely, better than adults electric bicycles. So over here a huge box. I'm gonna put it on the side. Then some seat actually, real nice. I'm really jealous now, Tommy. You're gonna get better bike than I have. Look on this big headlight. Wow. So let's remove from the box and see how easy to assemble it. So let's remove it. Oh, it's very light. So I'm gonna put it here. It has a nice wheel. Actually it's a rubber, so it's a real wheel with pumping, so it's air tires. See what is inside the box over here. Looks like it's a fender. Alright, this one is the tank cover, which going over here. Charging cable, so the charger. Manual. Okay, and a lot of different parts and tools which we're gonna use today. So inside the box you'll find manual. This is a stand, axle, tools. I think this is packs, some bolts. So it should be pretty simple to assemble. So let's get it started. So first we're gonna attach this stand, and it's a pretty simple attachment with these two bolts. It's coming. I'll use my hands first. Okay, to tighten up. And the stand actually works as a real stand. So everything on this bicycle very durable and looks like it's made out of steel, maybe aluminum. So it's not like just a plastic or like a toy. It actually looks like pretty much like a real motorcycle. And front wheel, you can see over here the arrow a little bit. So you just see what way it's circle, like if you're going up, so you put this way. If you put this way, it will be wrong, I guess. So you need to look on the side for a little bit arrow. So you just see it will going this way. How easy to attach the wheel, I'll show you. So first you would need to align to make sure the distance over here exactly the same as on this side. So you would need just to unscrew this nut to make sure both of them have the same distance. Just a bit more on this side, unscrew it and tighten up. So you do this way, so it's even now. Tighten with your hand so it's not shaking, and then you would lift and make sure this one going front, the arrow over here. Lift it up, insert it. Next you will take this locking washer like this, put it in a small hole over here and attach the nut. And you do exactly the same on another side. And here's how it will look, exactly the same on another side with a locking washer going inside this hole. Very simple as long as you follow this direction. So the next, I'm gonna attach the fenders. The fender will go right over here, but before attaching the fenders you need to remove 4 bolts right over here. So you're attaching the fenders like this and just reattach these 4 bolts and tighten up. So the next step to attach the handlebar, it's you would need probably somebody to assist, because the handlebar you would need to put these 2 pieces right over here, one over here, another one with a flat down here. And Tommy, can you hold handlebar a little bit? Okay. So I'll have Tommy help me. So you will take the bolt, insert it, and first I will attach just one part, so at least it will be staying in a little bit. Okay, and now I'll attach this part right over here. Okay, so and attach over here, and then you'll insert another bolt, reattach it, make sure it's inserted inside the hole over there. And I do the same thing on this side. So you tighten one by one a little bit to make it even, and then you need to bring the handlebar up like this and retighten all these bolts. Once you attach the handlebar, next you would need to reattach these two wires. One is green, so you're going to the green, you'll see small arrow over here, and it will be aligned with another arrow on this side. Okay, and just push it like this until you hear click. Next, you would reattach this wire over here and just to screw this cap on, so it will hold it. And once you connect the cables, you can resecure the headlight with a Phillips screwdriver. Just it's adjustable, so you just tighten up this screw. Next, it's very simple actually, it's on a magnet. You can just attach it over here, so it's easy to remove it. There's a magnet. It's kind of storage tank. Looks really cool. Challenger 12. And the last one, you would need to attach the pegs from both sides. It comes with the pegs, and you just do it by hands. You just reattaching by hands, and you do on both sides. And that's how it will look once you assemble it, but it's not yet, not all done yet. You would need to charge, and over here is the charging port. So once you charge, you just close this rubber, so make sure the hole is closed over here. And over here you fill the water. So before you're using the steamer, so you will see like steam coming out, you would need to put water on both sides, one on this side and another on this side as well. On this side you'll find the horn and also the steamer button. So before you start to using, make sure it's all filled in with the water, okay? And I would recommend to use filtered water, so it will not get some deposit. The bike looks really cool. To start the bike, you would need to press this power button on this side for a few seconds, like about 5 seconds. Over here, protective cover, you can remove it, but I'll just leave it right now. And once you start, you can hear the noise, like real one. And when you do throttle, it will make these noises, and also the light will turn on. Really cool. It comes with one rear braking, which is really cool, and the bike looks amazing. So now I'm gonna fill up with the water, charge the battery, and we'll go for a ride.